Student, welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to learn the subject mathematics for the standard 8. Now today we are studying the angles made by transversal. So we know that here if you are observing this figure, the two lines, okay, and these two lines are, whenever I draw a one line which intersect these two lines, okay, at two distinct points, then this line AT, okay, here is the point A and here is the point T, so line AT is called a transversal. And now here we are going to study the angle made by transversal. Now if you are observing how many angles are formed, that is when this transversal intersects, suppose first at point M and second at point N, at each point four angles are formed. How? Suppose if you are observing at this point M, so AMP, so first angle, AMQ, second angle, so these are the exterior angles, and inside this angle PMN, angle QMN, so at point M four angles are formed. Similar to at point N, four angles are formed. So angle made by R, total 8 angles are formed. Total 8 angles are formed. Okay. Now which are these types of angle? Here these angles group into different pairs of angle. So these 8 angles which are formed by the transversal are grouped in different pair of angles. So in that first pair of angle, these are called corresponding angles. Okay, these are the what? Corresponding angle. Second, interior angles. Okay, and third one is what? Alternate angles. Now we will see one by one. So first is what? Corresponding angles. So first we read the definition, what is meant by corresponding angles. So first, if the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of transversal, then it is a pair of corresponding angle. Okay, what is the meaning of these? Now see here, we know that whenever the angle is formed, here I am drawing for understanding. Suppose here is the angle. Okay, now we know that this line which cuts these two lines, okay, so this is a transversal. Now if I am considering here is the point A, here is the point M, here is the point P, then N and R. Okay, so if I consider first sentence is what? If arms on the transversal of pair of angles are in the same direction, means what? Here if I am considering these two angles AMP and second MNR, if you are observing first angle is like this, second angle is like this, so here is the AMP and here is the MNR. If you are observing these arms on the transversal, this one and this one, they are on the same side. So this is the first concept. Okay, second concept is what? The other arms, that is these are the first arms are which is on the transversal and these are the other arms. Okay, these are on the same side of transversal. Now if you are observing, second arm of this first angle is this one, second arm of the second angle is this one, so they are lies on the left side of the transversal, means which are on the same side. Such angles are called corresponding angles. Okay, so in this, how many angles are made by, how many corresponding angles are made by transversal? Now here I am showing you. First is the what? Observe AMP, okay, MNR. So I am writing here angle AMP which is equal to angle MNR, because corresponding angles are equal. So this is what? First. Now similar to second, if you are observing, which one is the second pair? That is, if you are observing now this side, now inner side, these are the exterior, PMN and R and T, which is angle PMN is equal to angle R and T. Now here, so here is the what I am writing first. Okay, first. Now second, second. Okay, and now these are the two pairs of corresponding angles which are formed on the left side of transversal. Similar to that, on the right side of transversal also the two pairs of angles are formed. So this one is what, similar to one here, 3 3, which is that, read, angle AMQ, okay, is equal to MNS, angle MNS. Similar to what, fourth one, here is the 4, there is the 4, okay. So which one, angle, how to read, QMN is equal to S and T. Okay, so these are the four pair of corresponding angles are formed whenever the two lines are intersected by one transversal at two distinct points. Okay, now next is the what, interior angle. So first we read the definition. A pair of angles which are on the same side of transversal, this is important, same side of transversal, and inside the given lines, now see here the two lines and the transversal. First sentence is what, pair of angles which are on the same side. Okay, suppose initially I am considering the left side of transversal, so these portion. Now we are considering the what, left side of this transversal. But first sentence is what, pair of angles which are on the same side of transversal. Okay, we are considering the left side of transversal, and inside the given lines, and what, inside the given lines. Now see here, means what, inside the given line, suppose here is the first line which is a PQ, then RS. So inside, in between these two lines, okay, in between these two lines, so it is what, so here is the what, angle PMN, and second angle is what, that is MNR. Okay, so inside this angle, so very simple. So interior angle is what, first angle PMN, which is equal to angle MNR. Okay, so similarly now here the one pair of angle is formed, similar to, now we are considering the right side of transversal. Okay, and now if you are observing, similarly here the second pair of angles, yes, please, you people can read, angle QMN, which is equal to MNS, which is equal to what, angle MNS. Yes, so it's a very simple. So two pairs of what, interior angles. Okay, so here is the four pair of angles are formed. Here the interior angles are what, two interior angles are formed. And now third one is what, we are studying the what, alternate angles. So again first we read the definition. What is meant by alternate angle? A pair of angles which are on the now opposite side of transversal. In first two cases, which are on the what, same side of transversal, but here we are considering the what, pair of angles which are on the opposite side of transversal, and their arms on the transversal show the opposite direction. Means now here I already explained the same side of transversal, but here the second case, the condition is what, their arms on the transversal show opposite direction, is called the pair of alternating angles. So in that, again the two sub types are there. First type is what, that is interior alternate angles. Here I am using a one shortcut, alternate angles. Okay, and second one is what, exterior alternate angle. So first we study the interior alternate angle. Okay, so for that, if you are observing, we are considering the what now, opposite side. Here is the suppose first angle, we are studying the interior, means in between the two lines. So first is what, PMN. Okay, so this is the first. But now same angle to the opposite side, because here if you are observing arms on this side, okay, second condition, this arm should be on this side, because what, the other their arms on the transversal show the opposite direction. Okay, so means what? This is the angle. So first interior angle is what? Angle PMN is equal to angle MNS. Okay, so this is the first interior alternate angle, and second on this side now. So this is the 2 and opposite to that alternate is this 2. How to read this? QMN. Okay, so angle QMN, which is equal to, on this side it is what? R and M. R and M. So these two angles are the what? Interior alternate opposite 1 1 2 2. Okay, which are on the opposite side of transversal. Okay, now similarly now exterior alternate angles. Exterior means what? Now above this or the outside the what? These two given lines means on this side and on this side. So first angle should be what? Here I am considering the 3. Okay, so same to the opposite side, which angle is there? This one, 3. That is alternate opposite side of transversal, but outside these lines. Okay, similarly here 4, and outside this line here is the 4. So we can write which one is the third pair now? Angle AMP. Okay, angle AMP, which is equal to here angle S and T. Okay, or we can read the TNS also. Okay, and fourth one is what? Angle AMQ, which is equal to angle R and T outside, R and T. So these are the again 4 pair of alternate angle. So I hope all of you understood the angles made by transversal. 8 pairs are formed. Okay, in that we are grouped into different types: corresponding angles, interior angles, and the alternate angles. Thank you.